The weather now, lovely, lovely evening out there, but you're saying that could change. We got some rain chances on the way, maybe as soon as tomorrow?
Yeah, they're pretty low tomorrow. Okay. They're called a conditional chance of storms, meaning if certain things go right in the atmosphere, then we could get severe weather. But many of us aren't going to get a drop here tomorrow. We'll be waiting until later this week for more widespread rain. What's happening now over Texas is a mostly clear sky. What will be happening into the morning tomorrow is the return of a southeast wind off the Gulf, helping to drive in more moisture, bring more humidity, and a lot more clouds around here tomorrow than what we had today. Of course, we started with clouds today, but got a lot of afternoon sun. I don't think tomorrow afternoon is going to be as sunny as this was. So you can see all those low clouds rushing in tomorrow morning, 7, 8 a.m. Soon after that, the potential for some drizzle and sprinkles. Very light shower possible as well. That's a 10% chance or less. Then we get some breaks of sun in the afternoon mixing with the clouds. And there is a low 10% chance that in this environment, a stray yet potentially strong or severe storm could pop up. This particular computer model keeps us storm free tomorrow. And then those low clouds take over everywhere again to begin Wednesday. And then Wednesday may also feature not just some drizzle, but a few actual showers late morning and midday. Even a low thunderstorm chance during that time as well. And then as the sun comes out in the afternoon, we head up for 90 degrees. And then we could start watching for the potential for storms coming later in the day on Wednesday. Right now, our computer model is keeping them northwest of the area. But it's certainly possible we could get a few showers or storms to pop up here on Wednesday, too. Those chances are still pretty low on Wednesday. This is why, at least for the next 3 days, many of us are going to see daily rain chances come and go. 10 to 20% chance of rain means the odds that you will actually get rain where you are very low. Then we get into Thursday, a few showers around as well, another chance for a thunderstorm, but most of us just see clouds giving way to sunshine through the day. That being said, if things go wrong or right, depending on what you want, we could see an isolated strong or severe storm that produces some locally heavy rain here on Tuesday. The odds of that happening are low, but if they happen, a severe storm could develop. 1 out of 5 severe weather risk northwest of Austin on Tuesday, tomorrow, and that's a 1 out of 5 for almost the entire area on Wednesday. Large hail, damaging wind, the primary concern both days. This is how the days look. Clouds to some sun here tomorrow, 85, just a 10% chance of rain or storms, and then 20% chances of wet weather Wednesday and Thursday. But look at the temperatures, all the way up to 90. Not only that, the humidity comes rushing back too. In fact, beginning later on the day tomorrow, we're in the humid category and staying there through Friday. Then a cold front on Saturday knocks those temperatures down. Ahead of that cold front, increasing chances of rain. In fact, Friday looks to be your best chance of widespread rain and thunderstorms. And some of that wet weather continues into much of Saturday before drier weather starts to arrive into Sunday. There is already a low 1 out of 4 flash flooding threat for Friday. Right now we're thinking 1/4 inch to an inch over the next week. Most of this coming Friday and Saturday. I wouldn't be surprised if those amounts start to trend up as our confidence goes higher. Lower rain chances on Sunday, much cooler, 60s and 60s again on Monday and mostly dry.